Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to disable startup apps in Windows 10. Go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to section 2 apps and select apps. Scroll down in the left side and select startup and switch off this application, for example, and disable or enable your favorite applications. To apply the change, restart your computer, close this window, select the startup menu, select power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.